All right, let's go, guys. Let's do this. Let's do the analysis. And so, first of all, the trade that I sent in the Discord group, which was the reason I closed that. First of all, let me tell you what I was looking for here. Okay, so in the 5 minute time frame, what I was looking for basically is the closer above this zone. And when did that happen? I took the trade, but I needed to go somewhere. I was not able to see the chart at that moment, so I closed it out. And I'll also inform in the group that I did close the trade. Hey brother, good evening, good evening, good evening. Okay, so let's do some fresh analysis right now. Okay, let me remove this structure because it's gonna be a little bit too much, right? So we're gonna remove this. Okay, we're gonna be let this be here for now because it's a zone where it will give us a confirmation. Like basically, it will be staying above or once we see a closure below the structure, so we can see that price will start going down. So let me first jump to daily time frame. We are really going for a bullish momentum. Also keep in mind there is a multiple rejection points here. Okay, this wick, this area, this area. So this daily candle still have a enough volume to reject and close like back into 2653 or so zone, right? Now going back to 4 hour time frame, what do you see? The 4 hour closure is below the above the structure. That means this is a break of structure. If this candle, the current 4 hour candle, do flip bullish, then we can see a nice bullish momentum till 2670 or so. That is still possible, all right. So if we look for buys when this 4 hour candle do flip bullish, then we can still target around 266 or so. That will be enough. Let's go to 1 hour time frame. We have 7 minutes left for this 1 hour candle closure, all right. And what I will be waiting for is this 1 hour candle close above this area, and I'll be looking for buys. Okay, and if it's closed below this area, below the structures, then I think we will possibly see a you know downtrend, a small downtrend that could be something like this to possibly go up again. But this is rare. Okay, this is rare. This will be like because what we are looking for is a whole flip bullish, right? Bearish, right? Because let's take a look at the. I think today we have news as well, so we'll be checking that. Let me also log in into my accounts. In the meantime, guys, if you're watching the live stream, do leave a like or something. And if you've been watching us, then like it's definitely worth to do a like, right? So you're not live. Anyway, now back to the main point. As I was saying, we have news, right? So we have news in around 5 to 7 minutes, so 6 minutes, I guess. And there's a job opening data coming in, and yeah, I'm good. How are you, Saf? How are you? Okay, so we got people coming in. Hello, hello. Today I thought like I won't do the live stream because I was busy. I mean, I needed to do some things, and to be honest, like I do not have the time, so I was not sure if I will do the live stream or not. But then I just got free, and I was like, let's do the live stream because like we still have time, we have news, and the volume is there. So भाई हिंदी में अरे भाई द प्रॉब्लम इज विद द हिंदी कि भाई मेरी ऑडियंस का भी मतलब देखना पड़ेगा ना, मतलब अगर क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग से मैंने जो वीडियोस एंड चीज़ें जो अपलोड की है विच इज़ इन इंग्लिश, तो इसलिए मैं मोस्टली अगर आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आता है तो आप मेरे को क्वेश्चन पूछो, आई विल आंसर दैट इन हिंदी. ओके, हाउ अबाउट दैट? दैट विल बी वे बेटर. ठीक है, आप मेरे को कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछो जो आपको बेसिकली समझ नहीं आता, इफ इट्स रिलेटेड टू एनालिसिस और थिंग्स लाइक दैट, आप मेरे को पूछो एंड विल टेक केयर फ्रॉम दैट. Okay, so as I was saying that we have a proper closure, but also keep in mind, by the way, funded account loss. How? I mean, what kind of a trade you have taken that you lost a funded account? because this is the account I started. Like, I've been doing this live, right? I want to buy one phase account 25K. You can, I mean, if you want, you will have a discount code, which is, if you use like XK trading, you will get 20% off, if you buy from gold funded. All right. If you buy from other prop firm, then you need to find the discount code, to be honest. All right. अगर आप, सॉरी, मैं भूल गया, अगर आपको मतलब फंडेड अकाउंट लेना है तो आप मेरा कोड यूज कर सकते हो, और उसमें ना 20% ऑफ मिलेगा, पे आउट देगा ना। यू नो व्हाट आई विल सजेस्ट, आप उस उनका डिस्कॉर्ड ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर लो एक बार, आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा, बिकॉज वो लोग ने बहुत लोगों को पे आउट किया है। एंड इवन इफ यू यूज ट्विटर, तो ट्विटर पे भी आप देख सकते हो, दे आर वेल नोन फॉर देयर रेपुटेशन। तो अब यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट आउट। Okay, guys, on a 15-minute time frame, we are seeing some bearish momentum. 100%. मेरा account, they will do it. Bro, like, I'm using their funded account as well. तो अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो I will definitely, make sure that, you guys know that they are doing something scamming thing, right? तो हम लोग totally नहीं support करते ये सब चीजें. Okay, I'll be honest, like I'm really against those stuff. Okay, तो अगर मेरे को ऐसा कुछ भी sketchy लगा तो मैं आपको पहले इन्फॉर्म करूंगा. Okay, so don't worry about that. गोल्ड सेल किया हुआ है 2662. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, ओके, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू अगेन. ठीक है, अगर आपने गोल्ड सेल लिया है तो कीप इन माइंड, ये जो वीकली कैंडल है वो इसको हाई ब्रेक करेगा, एंड व्हेन इट डज दैट, बेसिकली देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि हम लोग उससे अबव जोन में टैप करें, दैट इज 2670 और सो. तो आई विल सजेस्ट, लाइक, अगर आपने बाय, आई मीन सेल लिया है तो बी केयरफुल. इफ यू आर स्कैल्पिंग, देन टेक आउट योर प्रॉफिट एट 30 to 40 pips मैक्स. ठीक है. ओके गाइस, लाइक, देयर इज टू पीपल. ठीक है, आप दो लोगों, you should like and share the live stream. We need more people in this. Also, right now our account is up 45 pips done. Amazing, great. It's just the start of the session and like people are making money. Good one, good one. Okay, 30-minute candle. Thank you, thank you. Okay, on a funded account, we are up around 2%. Okay, like 1.9%. I won't say 2%. Thank you, thank you. Well, we are building it organically, everything. So thank you for your support, guys. So 15-minute time frame and 30-minute time frame, what we are seeing is that prices started moving down. Okay, and this is a New York session. This blue box you see, this is the start of a New York session. Now I'll tell you one thing. If we come below this area, then basically we are going back into this zone. If we do that, then there is high chance that this candle will start moving down to 2633. Overall, what I'm looking for is something like, I think this, what we call this bullish momentum, is because there are really some uncertainty in the market due to, I think, the current situations, as looking at the fundamentals, I guess. Okay, so based on that, I think, like, we will see, like, with the today news in 45 seconds, how price is reacting, and based on that, we're gonna see if we can take a trade or not. Okay, in 30 seconds we'll know like how price is moving. But I'm pretty sure that we will have a bullish momentum. For some reason, I have a idea that what price will do is basically like zoop up, and then from here it will start moving down. Okay, Because look at the 4 hour. Okay, this candle will do something like, let me show you. Something like what? Yeah, here. You see this bullish candle, then this candle, huge momentum, and then coming back and going down. So I think we can see something like that. Okay, okay. There we go. We got a, like, gap there. So what kind of a data we got there? Okay, this is good for USD. They have 54.1. That means gold should be dropping now. Now let's see what other data says then. This is good for USD as well. So gold will be dropping, guys. Gold will be dropping, like, trust me. Now what I will do, I want to take the trade, but I want to make sure that I won't risk that much. So I'll be checking like where I can take the trade, right? With a hold, great. Bhai, now you put your stop loss at break even and hold it, because this will be something like crazy right now. This is crazy. I mean, the data is so good for the USD. That's why gold is dropping. It's going to be dropping a lot. The only reason I'm not taking the trade is because I want to make sure that I take a good trade, not the. So if we see a price doing something like this, like just a wick, and then that will be good for me. But if not, then I'll be just looking at the price at this moment. Look at this. DXY is dollar index is moving up now. We are almost like at a bullish momentum again. See what I told you, weekly candle is gonna be flipping bearish here. So I'm gonna put this here. Daily candle will be flipping bearish here. All right. 4 hour. Amazing. Amazing. I know what you guys will be thinking, like, we are missing out on the trade and things like that. But trust me, guys, we are not. We are not missing out anything. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you the last trade we took on GJ, which was this one. Okay. We were supposed to close it here, but at last night I added another position and I closed that here. Okay. So that added me around like 0.20% or so. And the rest of the position, I put it on the stop loss at break even and let it run. When I woke up in the morning, I was up around 100 pips. So that's why you see this jump in the account balance, all right? So it's not something rationally. The last live stream that I did, and I took the trade live with you guys, so it was because of that. Okay. Now, now, all right. So as I said, right, all I need to see is some kind of a pullback before we take the sell. Okay. So if we get a pullback here, then that's what we're gonna use that 60% book and hold. Great, amazing. Are you trading your personal account or funded account? What are you doing? Funded account. Amazing, good for you then. We'll get a 5 minute closure just in 11 seconds or 10 seconds. Let's see. If you're looking for TP, then I'll suggest, like, to be honest, I think this price will be coming down till to 600 or so. That's what I'm looking for in overall trend wise. So that's my idea. But like if you want to close, then I'll say close your, if you're already up around 100 pips, then I'll say like look at the percentage wise, how much up you are in percentage on the funded account. Tell me that. If you are up more than 3 to 4%, close your 90% of the position and let the rest run. 0. Sorry, 10%, close 90% and let the 10% run. Okay, 170 pips. Yeah, I mean, I see like 170 pips. It's a crazy move, to be honest. You are up 2%, then okay, 2%. That is still good. So overall, are you in a drawdown or are you making money? Like, are you in a drawdown or are you making money? Question is that. Okay, as I told you guys, if we close below this structure, then I am looking for sales. All right. So now I think is it time for me to look for sales. But all I need, look at this 1 hour candle. How much can it go down? To 621. Great. Are you on the 10K funded account that we given on the giveaway, or you are trading another funded account? Acha, okay, okay, okay. Good, good. सही है फिर. All right. You're still pushing. To be honest, the only reason I have not taken the trade, what I'm looking for is some kind of a pullback before I take any trade. Okay. So that could be happening on the smaller time frame or on a 15-minute time frame. So we have 15-minute candle closer in next 6 or 5 minutes. Question, I'm pretty sure if this candle close below the structure, then this is a good confirmation for me. अच्छा big lot लग गया और गिर गया. Okay, it's okay. I mean, कोई नहीं, मतलब next time when you do buy something, well, according to me, like I'll just wait for now. Yes, if you have not joined our sorry, Discord group or other social media platforms, then do check that out and follow us there as well. It's been 23 minutes. Do you guys think we can pass this funded account? We are on the phase 1 and we need to achieve 7 to 8%. more. I mean, if we pass this funded account live, that will be something crazy, right? पास करने का भाई वो हो चुका है ऑलरेडी एक बार। ऑलरेडी एक बार हो चुका है। Give me a moment, guys. Give me a moment. All right, I'm checking some things. अगर कंपनी ने पे आउट नहीं दिया तो आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कंपनी विल गिव द पे आउट। कंपनी तो पे आउट देगा। पास करना इज समथिंग लाइक आई वांट टू चेक कि आई कैन डू इट और नॉट, बिकॉज इससे पहले मैंने एक बार पास किया था। ओके गाइस, आई एम गोना बी टेकिंग position here. Let me check. Okay, we have still 2 minutes left for the 15-minute closure. You know what? I'm gonna wait for 15-minute closure. If this candle flows below the structure, then I'll be looking for sells. But right now, this candle, I thought like if it's closed below the structure, reject and break below, flip bearish, then I'll be looking for sells still here. But now it's not gonna be happening there. भाई, I mean like आप बहुत सारे अकाउंट उड़ा रहे हो। I mean there is no point. Like stick with टू अकाउंट्स, थ्री अकाउंट्स। आई थिंक आपको है ना, एक जो वो पॉडकास्ट किया ना संकेत के साथ, आपको वो देखना चाहिए। ही दैट गाय फ्रॉम अ 5K अकाउंट, उसने बहुत अच्छा स्ट्रेटेजी बताया है। चेक दैट आउट। Okay, so price is flipping bullish here, like in the last moment, last 40 seconds. For me to take the trade, all I need to see is some kind of price momentum to the upside and then rejection. Okay. Um, Now we have still 45 minutes left, or 15 minutes left. But if this candle flows above the structure, then we have a small problem. I'll be honest. Look at this. GU is moving crazy as well. But to be honest, on the GU side, we were this structure and it was pretty clean. So I think we can still move, continue going down. But let's see, can we take a trade on GU instead of the gold? Okay, we got a break of structure below this area. All we need is below that. How much will this be? 40 pips to target what? Yeah, we need to have a big moment for this. I think we should stick with the gold at this moment, right? But if we on a 15-minute time frame, here's the thing, right? If we are moving up, if we are moving up, all I'm looking for is a rejection on a 1 minute time frame. All right. If we got a rejection, then we're gonna take the trade and try it out. The 15-minute candle did open up, but it's above the zone, which is a small problem for us. So like I think that price will continue till this zone. So I'll be looking for sells at this area. Not right now, but all right, we are having some rejections now. But to be honest, to be frank with you, I'm still confused. Okay, I'll be honest because okay, we have 5 minute candle. There are 2 minutes left. Let's see how this 5 minute candle closure works. Okay, if this 5 minute candle close bearish, then we can take a sell, put stop loss at this highs, and take a risk on this one and see if we can target the low we have here. All right, that could be the possible trade, but we need to wait 1 minute and 40 seconds. I'll give you that. We just flying up. I mean, there's no point right now to take a trade just right now. Look at that. There's totally no point to take this trade. Because if we are looking for, sells, then we should be waiting at this point. Also, like price have not break the highs, right? Also, 1 hour don't have the wick here. So you know what? I'm gonna wait because see, here's the thing. Okay, look at this. We've been trending down. Price have just break the high of like this area. Now, if price create a lower low, something like this, reject this area and go up. So we can take a trade here to buy up and see if it's trending to the upside till here, because I'm pretty sure it will come back up. And once it does, then it will reject from here to move down. Okay, so we could take a look at something like this, and once it tap into this zone, then something like a big wick and started trending to the downside, and then again. So this is a possibility. That's what I'm looking for. But all we need is a small pullback till back into the zone a little bit, because without that we cannot take the trade. Even till here is good for me. Even till here is good for me. Right. Sorry, I'm as I said, like, I told you guys I was really busy, but I wanted to do the lesson, so that's why I came in and I was like, let's do this, let's do this. Sell, hold, or exit. To be honest, like according to me, like as this 1 hour have gap down a little bit, I think price will tap into this zone before having a proper trend. There's a possibility that this was just a retracement of this big move, and the price could tap into 2672 and then have a nice downtrend because of this data. And also keep in mind, on a Friday we have NFP, so we should wait for that as well. So on the next week we have more clear direction what price will be, where price will be heading. Okay. But yeah, I think what I, if for even for buys, what I'll be looking for something like this. Okay, but not a crazy buy. Do you guys think will it go up or not? Question is that, I mean, it's still not sure right now. The way price is moving, we could move down, we could move up. So all I need, if we are going up, then we will know for sure if we reject this area. Once we do reject this area, right? If we have a even small pullback or multiple rejection on 1 minute time frame, then we can take the buys and target this highs. Till then, we cannot. All right, we are seeing some momentum coming in there. We have 1 minute and 40 seconds before the 15-minute candle close. So all we need is to see how this candle is closing. GJ consolidation. See, silver did went up. See, it did came back to the same area and it's now flipping bearish. So we are looking for similar things on even gold, but like even if this is something like we can take it on, then we are good for that. But let's see. Let's see. Okay, for 30-minute closure, we have 1 minute as well. So how much we have? 1 hour is still going on. There is a possibility we do go down. Should we continue the trend and take a sell here? Only problem with that is that when the 30-minute candle do open up, we are expecting for price to drive down till here. Okay. So as for the 1 hour candle, we'll be closing around back into the zone, right? That's what we are expecting. And the 4 hour candle still have 2 hour left. But if this 15-minute candle is closing above the stage, I mean, this area, not the stage. I don't know why that said that, but yeah. If it's closing above this area and the 30-minute is closing above that levels as well. So we're still in a buy momentum, to be honest. Okay. So all we need, if we are tapping a little bit into the zone, even here, around here, then we can take a buy. If not, then it's hard to see. It's hard to take a buy immediately right now, right? We are dripping down. Let me see on 1 minute transfer. So to be honest, anything below this structure is no good for us. Okay. So what I'll be looking for, if price reject here or here, and this is the buy trend. But if we get a closure below the structure, okay, then I think we should be looking for sells. They are coming down there. Let's see. I mean, we are there, but like we need to see something, right? Because right now what I see is price is just consolidating again. So if we do tap into the zone, I think I should immediately take a buy. But if not, if you're looking for, okay, we are coming down there. So you see price is rejecting again. We have 1 minute before this 5 minute candle close. Let's see how this is closing. GBP USD check. 15-minute time frame. I mean, we are at this zone, right? So it's pretty hard to see like where price will be heading at this moment. With the 4 hour, you can see we are at a stronger the support zone where price have tapped it multiple times and rejected and went up. So we need a closure below that on the 4 hour time frame or a 1 hour time frame at least. And right now we have not got that, so I'm not taking trade on this. As for gold, we should be looking for buys, sells below this area. We are not getting that, and the 30-minute and 50-minute time frame is like something I'm still checking. So this is, I think, this was the pullback we rejected from here. All right, and I think 50-minute candle will be flipping bullish. I'll be taking buys here on gold. What's happening here? Yeah, so I'll be taking buys on gold. Okay. Why this is my live stream lagging or something? I'll turn this on as well. Okay, I mean, for some reason I want to restart this. Let me reopen my account. I think either my Wi-Fi is gone or maybe I'm not. I was just logged out from the server. That's why it's happening. How is this doing? Okay, wait a second. Price is coming back down. Okay, guys. So we are. I mean, I'm just waiting for this. Uh, I'm just logging in into my account again. Either we there is something wrong with my internet, or I'm not logging into my account for some reason. Okay, now it's I think good. Now it's good. What you guys see is that either we can take a buy immediately here, or should I wait to see a rejection again? What do you think, guys? Should I wait? Because price is now coming back down into the zones. Okay, so it is like this was a rejection. If price have trended from this area, we could have put it stop loss below this candle, and we can manage risk based on that, right? That would be 30 to 40 pips, and there's no point like it's good. I mean, the server didn't load, we didn't take the trade. We could have been out of the trade immediately, but yeah, I'm still waiting like for price to reject or something. Okay, I do not think so. It will go up, but let's see. Let's see. This if this 5 minute candle close below the structure, then next candle should be like doing going back up and then rejecting. That's something we should be looking for. Because I was looking for buys above this zone. Now it's not above that zone. So now you see, like I acted on my emotion. Congratulations for the 10K views on your podcast. We did. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, Sanket, right. I didn't see that. Thank you for reminding, I guess. Did we? Did you hit 10K? Oh yeah, we did, guys. We did hit 10K. We are above 10K. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see this. Let me show you guys. Can you? Can you? I don't know. Maybe can you see this? But yeah, we are above 10K views. Thanks. Let's like you need to hit the what we call 100K mark so we can do the second podcast. All right. So hit the 100K mark. So we'll do the second podcast. All right, guys. If we reject and flip bearish from here, and I think that would be our trade idea then on gold. Let me shift to 5 minute time frame. Zoom in a little bit. So if we flip bearish from here, that will be our trade idea. Oh yeah. So there we have taken the sell entry point. We have taken a sell over here. Exactly. And I'm putting stop loss like around 40 pips, around above this zone basically. Okay. And what I'm targeting is this low symbol. Let's see if we can hit that mark. Please manage your risk because I'm managing mine. So if you are not, then you might risk your account. Okay. So manage your risk, please. because what the lot size I have taken, like even if I lose this amount, I'll be losing my profit. There's no problem with that. All right. So manage your risk, guys. Manage your risk. That's it. If you go up from here, then I think price momentum is like something we should not be trading. Okay. Yeah. I think our stop loss is good as well. So let's see how much it can hold up. The only reason I am not putting my stop loss above this is because it's too much and we should not be. And this is the yesterday high. Yesterday high, that means it's a strong candle point. Okay, so this is a yesterday high. Okay, US candle high, which is a strong point. Why it's a strong point? You see this white line, that is the area, right? Price have closed multiple times there and have flipped bearish and went down, right? So that's what we are expecting there. 2633 टेस्ट कर सकता है. हाँ, there is a huge possibility कि it could, because ये जो momentum आ रहा है ना sell का is huge because of the data that we receive right now, because they were expecting around 53.5 and we are up around 54.1, and which is huge. The last this number we had was on October 3rd, right? 2024. Let's take a look on the October 3rd, 2024. Let's go to 1 hour. I think it was here, right? No, not here. Where is it? 2, 3. Around this area. So there was not much momentum, but I think this was around this area. This was just a consolidation zone. So we didn't do much at the time. So there is a possibility that we can't do much with this too. 1, 2, right? But it is a possibility. I don't know, understand, like after we break its own low on 1 minute time frame, we should be going down, but we are not. And that is something concerning about. As see, the reason I took the sell is that we have closed below the structure, right? And when we did close below the structure, what I was expecting is that price should respect that and went down, but it did not respect it first. But now we are closing below that structure. So I think price have enough volume to continue going down. That's why I have taken the sell here. If we had enough volume to move up, we should have done here, all right? Or we should have done this point. But I think we should be going down now. Let's see. I mean, analysis can be wrong sometime, but it is sometime. There we go. We directly got the momentum for price to going down. To be honest, like this momentum, I do not like it, but let's see. The only reason I do not like that is it did not break the high and then flip bearish. If it's not doing that, then basically this could be liquidity grab and will flip bullish and it will go up basically, then I do not want that. Can we move SL till here? That is too much, to be honest. Too big of a SL, right? I know, like I need to give enough room to the trade idea, right? But this is too much, so that's why I have put it to like max 40. 60 pips, that is too big of a stop loss for me. Yeah, see, it did flip bullish and now it's going up. Should we close the trade? Or should we trust our analysis and wait? I think like we might not get the sell momentum because I checked the data. The last time this data did come out, we didn't have much momentum, right? So this could be it for us. Like how much we are losing? 50%. Should we close? Should we? Like we are not hitting the SL yet. This is our SL point, right? So we just tap that zone and we are rejecting. But we still have 2 minutes. In this 2 minutes, either we're gonna hit our SL or we can see this candle flipping bearish and going down. Okay, I think we're gonna hit the SL now. Let's see. It's playing with us. I mean, it did tap that again and it's now moving back down and now flipping bearish. But I'm not gonna say anything now. I'm not gonna say anything because see, like price is crazy. Like it's tapped this area 2 times. And I was expecting like yeah, it will just zoop up now. But it came down and so I'm not gonna say anything now. Okay, price is coming back up again. Oh, okay. 15-minute candle did close back below this zone. That is good for us. I did not see that. I did not see that. Guys, you should be. If I do not see this something like this, you should tell me, right? So now there's a chance that we might go down. I think sell 2654. I mean, to be honest, that is a big SL. I cannot put that, but we can still target this highs we have. It's still a huge thing for me, but let's see how much we'll be losing at this point if we put 2652 40 or 30. Okay, 2652 30 or 40. Modify position, stop loss. We're at 62652.40. 52.40. We're going to be losing 1.1%, right? I mean, it's to be honest, it's hard for me because if we lose 1.1%, we'll be still left with 0.90% in profit. And how much we'll be making if we win this trade, that is, let's say if we are targeting this zone, right? This areas, right? How much is that? 2639.80. 2639. Okay, we'll be making 1% as well. Guys, what do you think? Like, we are already losing that. Okay, price is coming back up. What should I do? It's confusing right now because the 15-minute candle did close below, but we did not break the low, and now we are flipping bullish. And if we break the high, then there is a chances we might move to the upside, right? And it seems like that will be the flip of the 30-minute candle as well. So yeah, our SL is good there. If we had that zone, I'm gonna be closing the trade, right? I'm gonna modify this. So We have our SLs at this point, at this areas, because if we flip bullish from here, then that is a flip for the 30-minute candle as well. And I do not like that. That means that is a rejection of this area and price will be going up instead of the going down, right? So we'll be losing 1%. That I'm okay with. Like we'll be losing our profit. We'll make it again in the next day. But if this 30-minute candle flows below the structure, then there's a huge possibility that the next candle will move down. Question is, let's see, we have 8 minutes to see if this price will move in our favor or not. So there you go. We have changed our SL at this point. I feel that there's no coming back. There's no coming back. All right. We are coming back. I mean, price is rejecting, but still, to be honest, we cannot trust on that, right? Because I'll be honest, this 5 minute candle was doing crazy things, and we were not able to see how it will be moving, right? To be honest, I should be doing one thing is that I should like sound is gone. What do you mean sound is gone? Let me check. Oh, sound is on, bro. Sound is on. I don't know. Or maybe you turn up your phone volume or something. I hope sound is good now. I don't know why people are saying. Oh, okay, it's fine. It's fine. You see, you just okay. Okay, so we have 40 seconds left, and if this candle go, close bullish, then we are in trouble because there is a high probability that we will hit our SL. But if it close bearish, there is a possibility that we can still come to our entry point. Okay, we did close bearish, but now we are still above this zone. Now, question is, are we going to go down or not? Because this is the last 5 minute candle. If we should be going down on this 15-minute candle, this 5 minute candle should be flipping bearish and continue going down. And that I think that this is the last 5 minute candle for 30-minute closure as well. So it's gonna be important one. And I think 1 hour closure as well, guys. We are in trouble. Trust me. Like if this thing do close below the structure, we are good. But if not, we are in trouble. We are in trouble. Guys, ask your question. Like, do you have any question related to trading industry or related to something? Like, we are getting bored now. All right, we price is coming back up again. So Let's see. Should we do a polls like are we gonna win the trade or not? Let's see what people are thinking. Tell me, guys. Tell me your answers. Like, don't look at the charts, okay? Don't look at. I'm gonna change this now because if you think like price will be coming down and you just say yes, then it's just a problem, right? I will give you 5 minutes to see if you're gonna hit the SL or are we gonna so select the answer from the poll. अरे भाई आप सवाल पूछो मैं हिंदी में जवाब दूंगा आपको बोला तो सही मैंने आप सवाल पूछो आप बोलो कि हिंदी में जवाब दो सिर्फ I'll answer in Hindi okay done. Okay, we got I think two answer or one answer we got one vote yes there are three people right there are two to three people on the live stream right now guys give us your answers. But anyway, you guys will be watching the price from your phone or something. There's no point for me to hide this, right? Okay, we did drop down a little, but we're still into the zone right now. I think we will get closure in around 1 minute and 15 seconds last. So it is going to be an interesting one. Are we gonna close bullish or bearish? TXY और गोल्ड कभी साथ चलते हैं और कभी नहीं ऐसा क्यों? तो इसमें कैसा है पता है कि डिपेंड ऑन द फंडामेंटल्स फंडामेंटल्स पे आप अगर थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड करना स्टार्ट करोगे ना तो उसके बेसिस पे आपको आइडिया आएगा कि गोल्ड पे ये मोमेंटम ऐसा क्यों है और सेम एट द सेम टाइम ये क्यों ऐसा मूव कर रहा है अब फॉर एन एग्जांपल ऐसा हो सकता है कि न्यूज़ के अकॉर्डिंग प्राइस ऐसा अप जाना चाहिए ठीक है न्यूज़ के अकॉर्डिंग प्राइस अप जाना चाहिए बट वो डाउन जा रहा है सो देर आर टू ऑप्शंस या तो वो बेटर प्राइस लेवल पे जा रहा है फॉर अदर प्लेयर्स लाइक इंस्टीट्यूशन और वो लोग उसको पुश डाउन कर रहे हैं टू गेट अ बेटर प्राइस एंट्री और उसको हाई लेवल पे ले जाएंगे विद राइट फंडामेंटल्स ठीक है सो दिस कुड बी पॉसिबिलिटी या तो फिर समझो कि दोनों में जो डॉलर पे न्यूज है ठीक है और उसके साथ साथ जो गोल्ड पे न्यूज है गोल्ड पे न्यूज नहीं होता बेसिकली आपको समझना पड़ता है कि करंट फंडामेंटल्स करंट कंट्रीज में जो जो चीजें चल रही है उसके अकॉर्डिंग क्या क्या लग रहा है कि क्या मार्केट में कितना अनसर्टन चल रहा है सब ठीक है इकोनॉमिकल लेवल्स पे तो उसके बेसिस पे आपको डिसाइड करना पड़ता है कि वाई ये मूव हो रहा है ठीक है तो ये अगर आपको समझना है तो आपको फंडामेंटल्स समझना ही पड़ेगा ठीक है ओके 30 मिनट कैंडल did close like below the structure a little bit but not the proper one okay so as 1 hour but now the point is if we come back up then this is a pullback for the 1 hour okay this is a pullback for 1 hour now what I am looking for we might go in profit now it's time for us to close the trade later on this as well now we are dropping down again we should be closing our trade at like 0.70% I think so let's see but how price is moving okay I hope भाई आपको आपका आंसर मिल गया हो like that's what I think okay okay let me end the poll I guess there's no point but we got one yes and we are moving to our entry point so that is still good for us भाई आप मेरी लाइव स्ट्रीम देख देख के ना इंग्लिश सीख जाओगे, आई प्रॉमिस यू दैट मच। हाँ राइट, 1 आवर क्लोज बिलो टू 650। तो आई मीन दैट्स व्हाट वी आर क्लोज। अब फॉर एन एग्जांपल, अगर ये 1 आवर कैंडल तो थोड़ा भी मूव अप करना है ना, तो इट विल कम डाउन एंड ब्रेक इट्स ओन लो एंड देन फ्लिप बुलिश टू गो अप, ठीक है। अगर उसको डायरेक्टली मूव अप करेगा तो दैट विल बी जस्ट अ रिजेक्शन पॉइंट, ठीक है, मतलब प्राइस अप करेगा एंड देन इट विल कम डाउन अगेन। इट्स गुड फॉर डाउन साइड पॉसिबल। वेल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी यस नाउ, बिकॉज वी गॉट मल्टीपल क्लोजर ऑफ द कैंडल, राइट। तो मेरा तो यही ऑप्शन ऑप्शन है कि राइट, प्राइस शुड गो लाइक दिस। अगर नॉट अवर हमारे टीपी हिट नहीं करेगा, बट देर इज स्टिल पॉसिबिलिटी कि हम लोग 35 पिप्स जितना तो प्रॉफिट में जा सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो दैट्स माई एनालिसिस। को भी देखते हैं क्या होता है, अगर लॉस करेंगे तो करेंगे। Price is going up. I know English. Yeah. All right. All right. Like 1 minute के according, ठीक है, look at this structure. We created this low. This is the last low we created. ठीक है. Since then, we did you can say, low high. Then we made another high, but we are respecting this lows and this low. So if we break below this, then this will be our TP point. But if we do not do that, till then we cannot say anything for certain. Because if price do break above, I mean, hit our SL, then there is a high possible chance that it price will go up. But if not, if we break below our entry point again, then it will surely go to just close. Surely. PTC बहुत बुरा गिरा है, ऐसा क्या? Let's check it out. 97 पे डायरेक्टली, लाइक लास्ट मैंने जब एनालाइज किया था इसको, आई टोल्ड यू गाइस कि लाइक इवेंचुअली इट विल कम डाउन आफ्टर हिटिंग 100 के अगेन, ठीक है। So it did hit above 100K, but it is coming down now, right? अब देख रहा हूँ, मतलब ये जो इंडिकेटर मैंने जो डिजाइन करवाया ना, it's pretty well designed. It just hit the mark here, which is pretty good. As it is really simple indicator, like based on my strategy wise, and we hit that mark and rejected and now coming back down. But it's good. I mean, like it the way it's built up now. Anyway, it's good. I mean, I think there is a possibility we can go down further. Like मेरे को तो लग रहा है कि इवन अगर हम लोग ये वापस थोड़ा अब जाके भी नीचे आएंगे ना, तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। लाइक वी कैन डू समथिंग लाइक दिस एंड दैट, यू नो। या तो हम पॉसिबली कि हम यहाँ से भी नीचे आ सकते हैं, बट हम नीचे तो आएंगे थोड़ा भी। Let's see हमारा ट्रेड का क्या हो रहा है भाई. So for our trade idea, we did went down a little bit on a 5 minute time frame, but we are pushing back up again. And I do not like this 50-minute candle, to be honest, because we created a wick and now we are pushing up. So that means we grab some liquidity and we're now pushing up. So if we break the highs, then there is a high possibility we will go up. Okay. So same as for the 30-minute candle. Even if we break below the structure, like we did created a wick and now it's moving up. So let's see, I mean. Now it's totally depend on how strong this level is. This white line that we have for from the indicator things, right? How strong this level is. It's totally depend on that. If it's not that strong, then we never hit the SL there. But if it's strong enough, then we'll see. All right, हमारे पास 1 minute, still 1 minute. Okay, we have 1 minute, and then we'll see. Okay, 40 seconds. 40 seconds when we will know कि what price is gonna be doing, because as I said, right, कि एक बार we break above the structure, then high chance that price will hit our SL. But once we break below this low, then high chance that we're gonna be end up this trade in profit as well. I mean, we have put the SL and TP, right? So SL, TP there. Let's take a look at our TP basically, because I have not seen the TP there, slip of a weekly candle there. Just still possible to hit, okay? But we don't want that much. So even if we do break the low, okay. You know what, guys? I'm gonna be moving my TP a little bit around this area. So that is 2641 or something. I think this is a good TP here, guys. Okay. So I'm gonna be moving to 2640.50 or so. Okay, it's still 0.90%, ठीक है? It's still 0.90%. So we'll see how this trade goes, ठीक है? And we have 3 minutes. 3 minutes for this 15-minute candle closure. . I think this is the time either we're gonna break above or we're gonna break down. So let's see how it's turned out to be. Let's see. Okay, we are moving up now. We are finally above that level. So if this 5 minute candle close above that level, then there is a high possible chances. Okay. Now all we need is just a closure. So I think we're gonna manage the risk at that time. But we need a closure, okay? We have 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Okay, guys, 2 minutes. Like we did break above, but we did not close above. Okay, now we are pushing back down again. So basically, that means this 15-minute candle is starting to flip bearish, or maybe I said it too soon. It's not bearish yet. What is your approach to risk management? So most of my trades are mainly based on percentage wise. Okay, so look at your account size. Okay, and see what is the percentage that you are comfortable to lose. Okay, so for right now, I am losing on this trade is 1%, and which is my profit that I made. Okay, so I'm comfortable to lose that. And this is the mark where I think, like, also keep in mind that whenever you put stop loss, it should be like at that area where price should have enough room to move to your favor. Like you should always keep in mind, like, I'm pretty sure once price break above this level, it there is no chance that the price will come back down till here. Okay, like there is a chance, but it will definitely go to upside, right, till here, and I cannot hold the trade that long. But if let's say if this sorry, yeah, if this trade stay below this structure, I'm pretty sure it could consolidate for like 2 hours, but eventually it will go down. Okay, so that is how I put my SL and manage my risk. So let's say if my stop loss is like 60 pips, I'll be using smaller lot size, because or if my stop loss is way bigger, then I'll divide my lot size into two parts and see where I can add another position. So it's totally depend on the trade setup. Okay, and based on that you can manage your risk. So that's my way of looking at things. So for 15-minute candle, we did get a closure below the structure. And the only problem is with this 15-minute closure is that there is a chances that we might come up first. And so there is possibility that this candle could go up till 265, 1.70 or so. And we have so near SL there. But we cannot move forward then, right? Because that is our last limit to risk the profit in a day. Why are you asking that question 2 times? I already told you. Okay, there in the last 50 seconds. Now, after 15-minute time frame, we are breaking the highs. If this candle now, if it's rejecting those areas, then it should be flipping bearish and going down. Should be going down. But let's see. You see, as I told you guys, that above this zone, we might hit the SL. So I think we are so near at this moment to hit the SL now. Because I told you like we might hit to 7, right? It's already at that point now. Question is, are we gonna hit the SL or not? If we do, then we are done for the done day. I mean, basically, in a loss. Okay, we almost hit the SL there. We are down again. We are closed. Trade is closed, guys. And we lost how much? That is 1.1%, as I told you guys. All right. Now, if this 15-minute candle do flip bearish, then that is something I'm not expecting at all, because there is a huge momentum and 30-minute candle is breaking the high. So there's a high probability now that market will move up, right? Yeah, market now it will move up, okay. But at the time when we did the analysis, it was a different scenario and a different trade idea. But I told you guys multiple times that there's high chances once we break above this level, it will move up. So be my guest if you want to take a buy, but I'm not gonna take any trade now. I'm done for the day, to be honest. So we'll be back with better live stream tomorrow, and we'll see what we do. We'll see what we can do. All right, guys. All right. Have a good day. Have a good night wherever you are, and take care of yourself too. Okay. So thank you for joining this amazing trading journey. I hope I see you in the next live stream. Till then, take care. Bye bye.